So I've been a loyal iPad user literally ever since the first original iPad came out. I'm talking about the OG version. Oh, you don't believe me? Hold on real quick. Let me show you what I'm talking about. See, y'all, I told y'all, I ain't lying. Y'all still got it. This bad boy here still works. But y'all, the question is, why am I interested in getting this brand new Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra? Well, guys, there's about 3 main reasons why. So let's go ahead and break this bad boy down. What up, squad? It's your boy CKid here. And today, well, really like the other day, I purchased my very first Samsung tablet and I decided to go ahead and go with the Tab S8 Ultra. Now, before we actually get into those 3 main reasons why, I want you guys right now, comment down below how many likes is on this video at the time when you guys are watching it. And yeah, let's go ahead and run this video up too. Notification squad, I see you on deck. Let's go. All right, so let's go ahead and dive right on in and start with the number 3 reason, and then we're just gonna work our way all the way down to that number 1 reason. So number 3 has to deal with the size of the tablet that appealed to me right off the bat. So if you guys don't know, the new Galaxy Tab comes in 3 different sizes. You have one in the 11-inch for the Tab S8, 12.4-inch for the Tab S8 Plus, and then a massive 14.6-inch for the Tab S8 Ultra. Now at first, I'm not gonna lie, the 11-inch regular Tab S8 was on my radar big time because I was like, look, this is my first Android tablet and I wanna, I kinda wanna ease into this thing. I can't just be spending a huge amount, money on the unknown and then turn around and then not liking it and then I'm stuck with it, right? But then when I actually saw that it had a normal LCD display, I was instantly turned off and it was like, you know what? We don't need to go on that date no more. Go ahead and skip that one. Then I went ahead and looked at the 12.4-inch Tab S8 Plus model. And I looked at this one kind of hard, y'all. I'm not going to lie, because it's the one that is most comparable in size to my 12.1-inch iPad Pro that I literally use like every freaking day. The only reason I didn't go with this one is because I said to myself, right, if I want to actually try something new, I don't want the experience of me going from something familiar like the iPad to something similar for comparison. Now, if I'm actually trying something new, I want to try something new because in reality, there's only really 5 main differences besides the size between the S8 Plus and the S8 Ultra. 1, the S8 Plus offers a 5G option and the Ultra doesn't. 2, the S8 Plus only offers a 12 megapixel ultra wide front facing camera, while the Ultra model offers a dual 12 megapixel front facing camera with ultra wide and a normal wide angle lens. 3, you got the S8 Plus that comes in 3 colors. You got the graphite, silver, and then pink gold, while the Ultra model only comes in graphite. Now, number 4, S8 Plus has a 10,090 milliamp battery capacity, while the Ultra has 11,200 milliamp battery capacity. And the 5th final difference is the S8 Plus model only offers 8 gigabyte RAM option, while the Ultra offers 8, 12, and 16 gigabyte RAM options. Depending on your usage, y'all, I feel like 8 gigabytes for a normal person is more than enough, with 12 gigabytes possibly piquing my interest. And for me, actually trying something new means if there is a large tablet on the market for me to try out, I want to actually see and experience the top of the top of what Samsung has to offer that I really can't get anywhere else. I look at it like this, right? I've already tried a 12-inch tablet, so why would I actually want to buy another? Let me go for the big dog. So that's what I end up doing. I ordered the 14.6-inch model and it should be arriving here pretty soon. Now, the second reason that I decided to buy my first Samsung Galaxy tablet, y'all, is for the UI experience. As y'all already know, recently, guys, I've been a huge fan of the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. Now, I do understand that these are completely 2 different products. But what I'm actually getting at, y'all, is if I've personally been enjoying my experience so much with this watch right here, who's to say that I won't actually like my experience with the tablets just as much? Plus, I want to see what my experience would be like using their watch with this tablet as well, and then seeing if there's any features that I personally haven't been able to use or just unlock because I fully haven't built out the ecosystem. So I feel like, you know what, get the tablet and I can do just that. Now, from a UI perspective, right, Samsung, I feel y'all over the last few years been really putting in like crazy work, like trying to really perfect their platform and user experience. And just honestly, with the experience that I've personally been getting with my Galaxy Watch 4, I feel like this could be the perfect marriage for me to actually try out. Plus, one thing that I know about Samsung products that has been just solid over the years and consistent year over year, y'all, is their screen quality. Now, anytime that I bought a Galaxy Note or a Galaxy S series smartphone, I've always praised the displays and how good it always looked. So with that, y'all, I'm really hyped to actually see if that same level of clarity as well as the brightness transfer over to the tablets. I'll definitely be letting y'all know that for sure when that bad boy gets here in house. Now, the number 1 reason that I'm deciding to scoop up this tablet, y'all, is simply because of just curiosity in general. I simply want to know if I was to spend 24 plus hours with this tablet, literally putting away my iPad Pro and not using it, will I be able to do all the same things I use my iPad Pro for? before. Like using the upcoming Galaxy S22 Ultra. Will I easily be able to transfer my files from my tablet to my phone and vice versa? Or are all the apps that I use formatted properly for Android and Galaxy tablets? These are the things, y'all, that I'm personally curious about trying out and just giving users who might be actually thinking about making a switch. Like, is it actually something that is feasible? Now, I'm also interested in trying out DeX as well. I know this has been a feature with Samsung for a while, and I've personally been curious with actually trying this out because I've never tried it out before. Now, I know Apple has a similar feature, but I'm personally just curious on which one I would like most, and being able to plug right in using that port as also a display out to a secondary monitor to me is so fire. And I'm here to test out it all and just let y'all know how the performance is. But overall, y'all, I'm hyped to actually try and just genuinely test out the Galaxy Tab 8 Ultra and just see if it's something that I would like to actually use on a daily basis. Just want to let y'all know that all of my products, y'all, will be coming here in-house very soon, man. And I'm going to be dropping crazy content back to back to back, along with some special new content, man, that I really can't wait to share with y'all, just on the plan and just the direction that I plan on taking my content, just to be more episodic and just entertaining type content. Y'all gonna see what I mean here shortly when I actually get these devices in house. All right, y'all, other than that, man, Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, I'll see y'all in the next one. Squad.